It's 95 degrees outside. I mean, it feels like summer. We're almost there. I'm on the floor with my puppy. Trouble, what else would we make on a summer night but an LA street dog? And if you don't know what an LA street dog, no, it's not my dog. It's the best thing ever. You're in for a treat, so let's get started. Come on, Trouble. He's not as excited as I am, but I love an LA street dog. In fact, before this quarantine happened, one of my last nights out was leaving the Staples Center. And when you leave the Staples Center in LA, it's after a game or whatever, the LA street dogs, they call you. The scent. I just looked in the refrigerator. I'm like, I think I have what it takes to make my version of an LA street dog. You want fresh veggies, right? So I have white onion, red onion, and then cut red bell pepper. You got your dogs. You got your bacon. You got your hoagie rolls, shredded lettuce, shredded cheese. It's everything you need for the best treat. So let's get started. Easy breezy, the grill's on. You take your little dog, you take your bacon, and you wrap it. This part, easy breezy, that one's done. All right, see, look at that prep time. Easy. All we're gonna do is put these on our grill now, put the veggies on the grill, let it go. So I guess before that happens, take a sip, and I have to take you out with me, I guess. So come on out. Okay, we got our stuff. Boop. Let's go grill it. So, our grill's nice and hot. I have one of these little contraptions for the barbecue, but you can use aluminum foil if you like. Just very easy, just dump it.
Then we're gonna dump it, okay?
Look at that, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. And you wanna grill your dogs. I mean, can you even see that? Spread your veggies out evenly so they cook. You're also gonna have to toast your buns. I don't use a traditional hot dog bun, I use a hoagie roll. It's cooking. You can enjoy the view if you like. Los Angeles. All right, we're gonna let these cook and then we'll be right back. Fun fact, I started a fire.
I don't know, you better stop!
We had to come inside from the fire. I mean, that bacon grease is no joke on that kind of a barbecue. But they're cooking now. It's all safe and sound. Trouble put out the fire. Thank God to have a man around the house, you know? Okay, everything is looking good. Veggies looking good. Your buns are toasting. Looks like summer to me. Okay, so we brought everything inside. It's almost time for heaven. Got one of my little hoagie rolls. I'm a yellow mustard guy, whatever you want to do, but I am going to do what they do. On the streets of LA, they add mayonnaise. I'm not a mayonnaise guy ever, but for some reason, with the street dogs, so you just coat that. Now you're gonna add a little bit of shredded lettuce, shredded cheese, my hot dog, get right in there. There we go. Get the veggies in there. Oh, smells like summer. All I need is to pop out some kids so I can go to like the Little League baseball games and order these. And there you go. You have an LA street dog. That's it. That's what you need. I'm gonna go enjoy this and not think about all the calories. Bye!